In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to compress your image size and completely for free. Now the website which we're going to use is called TinyWow, and you can get there by going to tinywow.com. Now what I'll do is link that down in the description below. Now on here they have hundreds of great tools which are all completely free. Now to find the compress image tool, we want to come up to here to the search bar and type in compress image. We're going to click search, then it's going to be this tool just here. Now if we click on here, we can then upload your image directly on the page. Now you can do this for JPEGs, PNGs and GIFs. Now I have this image just here, and if we click on inspector, we can see that this is a very big file. So what we're going to do is just take this image and drag it directly on the page, just like so. Now we're going to give it a second to do its thing. This can take a few seconds as well, depending on how big your image file size actually is. Now once that's uploaded, we're going to have a few different options. We have quality just here, which for this example, I'm just going to leave that on the default, which is 90%. We can click to tick max as well, and we have a few different options with original, PNG, and a few different file types. Again, I'm just going to keep this on original, and I'm going to click compress. Now it's going to take a few seconds to actually process and compress that file. And there we go. Now because this was such a big file, it did take about 3-4 minutes or so. But now that's done, we can see that it's 21% smaller. It's taken it from 48.1 megabytes to 37.8 megabytes. And we can see a comparison just here in the quality. And if we look, there's not actually that much difference. Now from here, if we scroll down, we can click on download, click on save to device, and then that is downloaded. So that's how to compress your image size completely for free. Now if you liked this tutorial and you want to watch more, then click right here and have a watch of this.